Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today, I'm just going to briefly talk you guys through how to sell your items on Instagram. It's very easy. It takes like 2 steps. It's really all about your hashtags. So you want to pick really great photos of the item. You want to pick like 1 or 2 of the best photos. You could put more in. Instagram lets you put in multiple photos in your posts. But I would recommend only doing 1 or 2 or even a collage side by side of 2 so folks don't have to sit there and swipe. So pick, a couple of photos, the best photos you have of it, and then and your actual written post. Don't put your hashtags there. I was taught at eBay Open in the social media class, it's like better to put them in the comments. So just put in the post what the item is, as much detail as you want to put about it, the brand, the size, what it is, descriptors, kind of like you would write a description on eBay, the condition of the item, all that good stuff. And then you have 2 choices on how you want to sell it. You can either say this item is in my eBay store or my Posh Closet, link is in the bio, and send them to your bio, and they can just go to your eBay store or your Poshmark Closet to purchase the item, which is probably the easiest way. Or if you want to sell off platform and kind of sell without paying eBay or Poshmark fees, you can tell them to send you a direct message if they're interested, and then you can send them an invoice via PayPal, and you'll just have to print out your own label on the postal website, USPS.com. So that's the post. And then the number 1 most important thing is the hashtags, and these will go in a comment. You will comment on your own post, and I think you can have up to 30, so you want to utilize the 30 that you have and just do the best that you can hashtag wise. Instagram does have that feature now where people can go and search for hashtags. So say like you're selling a Robert Graham shirt, someone can go and look for the hashtag Robert Graham and go through it. And people do shop on Instagram. I hear that there's quite a few people who do really well selling on there. So you just want to make sure that you include as many hashtags as you can and make sure they're good. So using the Robert Graham example again, I would put hashtag Robert Graham, hashtag men's fashion, hashtag men's button front shirt, hashtag men's shirts, hashtag men's dress shirts, hashtag flip cuffs, just anything you can think of that you would like. If you were personally looking for that item, what would you be looking for? And then just include as many hashtags as you can. And remember, your audience is more not your followers than usual, because most of us that follow each other on Instagram that are resellers, we're all resellers, and there is the chance that you could sell your item to another reseller. Again, let's use the Robert Graham as an example. Casey, the Rockstar Flipper, might buy it from you, but typically your audience isn't going to be other resellers to sell your stuff to. So you just want to keep that in mind too, that you're trying to get to people who don't follow you. You're trying to get to a different audience. You're trying to get to people who are on Instagram looking for these items to purchase them, and just do the best you can with your hashtags. Like, you're pretty golden if you've got men's fashion or women's fashion, and then just all the descriptors and the brands of the item. And in your post, you want to, like I said, treat that like a description on eBay and put as much information as you can, plus the cost. You want the cost in there. Even if you're sending them to your closet or to your store to buy, they're going to see the price when they get there. But sometimes people want to know the price ahead of time, and if they don't see a price, they're not even going to bother going to your store. So make sure you include that as well. And it's that simple. So you get your pictures, you write a description about your item with as much information as you can get in there, including the condition. And then you make a choice. You either send them to the platform you're selling on, or you ask them to direct message you, and then you can invoice them via PayPal. And then once your post is up, you can go into the comments and throw up all your hashtags. And again, let me reiterate, your hashtags are the number 1 most important thing you're ever going to include on a post where you are selling an item. Bottom line, hashtags are important. Hashtags are important. If you guys have any more questions about how to sell on Instagram or other social media platforms, absolutely feel free down below in the comments to ask your questions. I will be more than happy to help anybody out that I can. If I didn't talk about something that you wanted to know about, or I missed a point in this video, or any other questions you have, like I said, feel free. I will be happy to help you guys all get started selling off Instagram or other social media. Do me a favor, if you would, before you leave, smash the like button. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to our channel and help us feed all of our hungry hippos. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We are at Flippin' Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.